1. Place your dollar on a flat surface. The ironing board is the most logical place to iron your bill. If you don't have an ironing board, you can use a nearby table, but make sure to place a shirt or other linen on the ironing area so that you don't burn the table. 2. Moisten the bill with water. Spray a little water onto the dollar bill. You can do this with the spray function featured on the iron itself. Moisture helps remove those particularly pesky wrinkles during ironing. If you don't have an iron with a spray function, use a spray bottle or run the bill under a sink that is set to low pressure. 3. Turn your iron down to the lowest heat. The goal is to dry the moisture out of the bill with the lowest heat necessary. Higher heat settings run the risk of damaging the dollar bill. 4. Iron the dollar slowly. Use straight movements from one direction to the other. Repeat this a few times until the bill no longer appears to further flatten. Take care to avoid ironing folds into the bill. If you are having trouble getting the bill to lay flat, place it flat inside of a shirt. This will keep the bill weighed down flat while still allowing you to iron the bill. Start ironing the bill as your iron is still heating up. This is particularly helpful if your iron's lowest setting is still particularly hot. 5. Let the bill cool for 60 seconds. The bill will be very hot to the touch immediately after ironing, so be careful. After the bill has cooled, you may flip the bill and repeat the ironing process on the new side of the bill. You may reapply some moisture to the other side of the bill if it still has a large amount of folds or wrinkles. 6. Store flat for safekeeping. Once you are satisfied that the bill cannot get any flatter, you are finished. Pick up your newly flattened bill and place alongside the others in your wallet.